everybody, welcome to on Mathmax tutorial. Today we have seen amazing integration example, and today example of integration dx upon x square minus 2x plus 10 bracket square is equal to a in bracket tan inverse x minus 1 divided by 3 plus f of x divided by x square minus 2x plus 10 and bracket complete plus is constant of integration, and we can find both value for a and f of x and what is the exact solution. Yes, okay, and this is actually question for the JEE main 2019. These are the India's most entrance examination. Yes, okay, if you want the simple solution, to watch video till at the end. Okay, and now let's do start. Here we observe the solution in terms of tan inverse x minus 1 divided by 3. That's mean we can here put the substitution method, and this question can be simplified as, let's suppose this is taken as I is equal to integration dx upon this is the x square minus 2x plus 10 bracket square. Now here we can completing the square. Actually this is the quadratic equation. We can write as x square minus 2x plus 1 plus 9 and bracket square. Okay, and actually this is the square of term x minus 1 bracket square. Therefore this term can be simplified as dx upon in bracket x minus 1 bracket square plus 9 bracket complete and bracket square. Yes, okay, now we can put the substitution method here. Therefore substitute x minus 1 bracket square is equal to suppose 9 tan square theta, and this function differentiate, we get here 2 times x minus 1 dx is equal to this is 18 tan theta, and derivative of tan theta is equal to sec square theta and d theta. Okay, and now we observe this is the term 2 times x minus 1. This is actually not present in the numerator, so we can adjust on both side numerator and denominator. Therefore this integration becomes, we can write as 2 times x minus 1 dx and divide by this term also we can arrange in the denominator part. Yes, okay, therefore this is x minus 1 bracket square plus 9 bracket square, and now therefore we can we know that here x minus 1 bracket square is equal to 9 tan square theta. Then we can write as x minus 1 is equal to this term becomes as 3 tan theta, and we want the value 2 times actually. Okay, therefore multiply by throughout 2, therefore we get here 2 into 3 and this is the tan theta. Okay, and now this integration becomes as I is equal to, and we know that this term dx is equal to 18, this is the tan theta into sec square theta and d theta, and divide by 2 times x minus 1 can be written as 2 times into 3 tan theta, and this term can x minus 1 bracket square is equal to this is term 9 tan square theta plus 9 bracket square complete. Yes, okay, and here we observe this is the I is equal to integration, this is 18 tan theta into sec square theta d theta, and divided by this is 2 into 3 tan theta, and this term can be written as, we can take an actually here common 9. Yes, okay, and in bracket 1 plus we can write tan square theta bracket complete. Yes, okay, and now again we can simplify this term. Therefore I is equal to integration, this is 18 tan theta here get cancel, this is the sec square theta d theta, and divided by this is 6 times in bracket here 9, actually this is the 9, that's mean this is the 81, 9 square, that's mean this is the 81, and 1 plus tan square theta is equal to, we know that 1 plus tan square theta is equal to, we know that sec square theta, and also bracket square, that's mean we get here sec raised to 4 theta. Yes, okay, therefore we get here sec raised to 4 theta, and now here again we can simplify the term. Yes, okay, therefore we get the solution in simple way. Yes, okay, therefore we now observe this sec square get cancel, and this is the remaining, actually this is the sec square theta. Okay, and we can write here this is 9 into 9. Yes, okay, 9 into 2 and this term 2 into 3, and we get here 3 into 9, that's mean 27. Therefore I is equal to 1 upon 27 integration and 1 upon sec square theta, that's mean this is the actually cos square theta and d theta. Yes, okay. Now we can here use the cos square theta is equal to related formula, and we know that here 2 cos square theta is equal to 1 plus cos 2 theta, and we get here cos square theta is equal to 1 by 2 in bracket 1 plus cos 2 theta. Therefore this integration becomes, as we can write, 1 by 27 integration 1 upon 2 times and 1 plus cos 2 theta and d theta. And now we can find the integral by in simple way. Yes, okay. Therefore we can write as 1 upon 54 as a simplification term, and integration here we can find the 1 plus cos 2 theta bracket complete and d theta. Yes, okay. Therefore we can find the simple solution now. Yes, okay. Now we get here, we observe 1 upon 24 is constant term, and integration we can find as 1 d theta plus integration we can find cos 2 theta and d theta bracket complete. Yes, okay. Therefore 1 upon 24, then integration of 1, that means this is actually theta and this is plus, and integration of cos 2 theta, that means this is the sin 2 theta divided by 2, and this is the plus c is constant of integration. Okay, and now here back put theta is equal to, we know that. Yes, okay. Now here observe, we know that the x minus 1 is equal to 3. Yes, okay. This term here present. Okay, x minus 1 is equal to 3 times tan theta. Okay, then therefore this term becomes as x minus 1 divided by 3, and we get here tan theta. Therefore theta is equal to, we get tan inverse x minus 1 divided by 3. Yes, okay. And now here put the sin 2 theta is equal to, what is the exact value? Okay, therefore we know that sin 2 theta is equal to related formula for tan. Yes, okay. Therefore we know that this is the 2 times tan theta and divided by, this is 1 plus tan square theta. Therefore tan theta is equal to, we know that this is x minus 1 divided by 3. Therefore this equation becomes as sin 2 theta is equal to in terms of tan. Yes, okay. Therefore we can write as 2 times, this is x minus 1 divided by 3, and divided by, this term becomes as 1 plus this x minus 1 divided by 3 and bracket square. Okay, now we put the here theta is equal to tan inverse x minus 1 divided by 3, and sin 2 theta is equal to 2 times x minus 1 divided by 3, and divide 1 plus x minus 1 divided by 3 bracket square. Yes, okay. Therefore this integration becomes as 1 upon, this is 24, and theta is equal to, we know that this is tan inverse x minus 1 divided by 3, then this is plus 1 by 2 is constant term, and sin 2 theta is equal to, we know that this term 2 times, this is x minus 1 divided by 3 in bracket 1 plus x minus 1 divided by 3 bracket square bracket complete, and plus c is constant of integration. Okay, and now simplify this term, as we can write as 1 by 24 this term in bracket tan inverse x minus 1 divided by 3 and the plus. Okay, here 2 to get cancel term. Okay, and now here the simplify this term here. Yes, okay. 1 plus this term x minus 1 divided by 3 bracket square, that's mean term, this is 1, and plus x square minus 2x plus 1, and this is the divided by actually 9. Yes, okay. Therefore simplify this 9 plus we get here x square minus 2x plus 1 divided by 9, that's mean we get here x square minus 2x plus 10 and divided by 9. Okay, and this 9, okay, we can write as 9 upon, sorry, this is term can be written as, this is the x minus 1 divided by 3 into, this is 9, and this term x square minus 2x plus 10 bracket complete, and plus c is constant of integration. Yes, okay. And now we observe here 3 here get 3 into 3, that's mean this is the 9. Okay, and this is the term a compare with this term actually solution, and actually this is the function value. Yes, okay. Therefore a is equal to, we get 1 upon 24, and function we get here 3 times. This is the x minus 1. Yes, okay, and actually this is my final solution. Yes, okay, yes, this is the a is equal to 1 upon 54 and f of x is equal to 3 times x minus 1. Okay, if you like this solution, then please share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Yes.